Okay, this is a primer hack, right, for ladies who are in their 40s and 50s. Let's say you are already experiencing perimenopause like me. Okay, suddenly you felt dryness and itchiness because of moisture loss, and then sometimes you may have acne due to hormonal imbalance, and maybe it could be increases of oil production and clogged pores, and sometimes you may also experience eczema and rashes from a thinner skin barrier. And suddenly your skin like sag, due to the loss of structural support. Right, I have this solution for you. So if you're looking for a primer that helps to moisturize and brighten your skin at the same time, right, introducing Floris's Peach Primer. Okay, what I love about this one, because they have this ability to blur your pores and blur your fine lines and wrinkles. And on top of that, right, they have this natural extract, okay, that helps to protect your skin. Okay, they have this peach resin inside. Peach resin, right, is well known to increase collagen levels. On top of that, inhibit the formation of common signs of aging such as wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging skin. That's why ultimately when you apply this primer, okay, it will lead to a very rejuvenated and more youthful skin. You can see a lot of women apply it, right, and you can see that 100% agree it was gentle enough for sensitive skin. And also it helped makeup to not settle into their fine lines and wrinkles and left skin looking very glowy. And it leaves your skin feeling smooth and moisturized. So you can see they actually did a test, artificial skin test. Okay, you can see the before and after primer. The one with the after primer, right, you can see that the makeup lasts long and then there's no oxidation of the makeup. So I'm going to do one side of my face and show it to you. Okay, this is my, after my moisturizer, guys, with sunscreen. So I put this as a primer. Okay, I'm putting my foundation right now, the cushion. Okay, can you see one side is brighter than the other side? So this is the side with the primer and this is the side without primer. Okay, so if you're interested to order, please click onto the link there to order or click onto the link on the comment side. So thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you also in my next video. Bye!